time to set up camp. Camp's up. Hey everybody, and welcome to Living Large Camping. We found our campsite here for the next number of nights. We are in Green Mountain National Forest here in southern Vermont. It is a beautiful area and we're just excited to explore and see what it has to offer.
Yeah, let's go check out the campground.
Here we go. Now time to enjoy one of the ciders we picked up in Stowe.
Yes, it is, what is it, cider donut?
Cider donut.
Cheers, this place is beautiful.
Good morning, everybody. It is pretty cold out here this morning, but we're gonna go walk the loop. I think there's a couple hikes nearby, so we may check those out and just enjoy this day, and hopefully the sun will come out and warm us up.
Look at it. It's so little. Found a loop that takes us back to the campground. There's so many trails.
All right, so we're gonna stay here for 3 more nights, but we are semi running out of power, so I'm gonna set out the 100-watt solar panel that we have and tie it into the Goal Zero. Not a lot of sun coming in right now. It's pretty cloudy, but it's supposed to wear off here in a couple hours, and I just wanna have this out and ready for when it does. Well, it's still about 40 degrees outside. The sun was supposed to come out later today. Hopefully it will still, but we're gonna take this time, have some tea, and get some work done inside. But we'll see you when the sun's out, and hopefully we can go on a little walk later. Well, we have this really nice field out here in the middle of the campground, and the sun is hitting it great. So we're gonna sit out here, thaw off a little bit, just enjoy the sun. Cheers.
Cheers to the sunshine.
2 seconds later. The bees are out and flying around eating their dinner, and I don't want Barkley to eat one because he will, and that doesn't turn out well for anybody. So we're gonna go walk the camp loop, and then it's time to start cooking some dinner.
we're gonna cook some dinner before it gets really cold. We're doing burgers and asparagus, and that's it.
And it's still semi-sunny outside, so we're gonna cook the onion and the burgers out here. These burgers look delicious, and I think it's time to dive in.
All right, I put in 2 gummy worms.
Well, we're out of firewood, and it's gonna get to like 35 degrees tonight, so we're gonna play some cards inside. This game's called golf. Game on.
Game on.
If you had any doubts, I lost. Amelia won every time.
Time for bed.
Let's go to bed.
Good night, guys. Let's go for a hike.
Great little hike. Now time to sit here and enjoy this view for a minute. A really nice overlook that we got to sit and have a PB&J sandwich and a snack or two, but now it's time to walk back to camp.
Sounds great.
It's really pretty out here. Some of these colors are popping through and it is beautiful. We've probably seen at least 20 trees fully uprooted.
Pretty cool to look at, though. Home sweet home.
Made it home.
Now time for Barkley to get a bone. Go get a bone. Go. Ooh.
Amelia's inside getting some editing done for a video that we have to post tomorrow, and I'm out here getting us a fire ready because the temps are starting to fall. Time to see if we can turn these into real cookies. Yeah.
We're just waiting on them. Wow. Crispy, but soft. Mmm.
Those cookies were delicious, but that's actually going to do it for us this video, guys. We hope you enjoyed exploring Musalamu Campground here in southern Vermont. It was a beautiful area, and we were very glad to be here for a couple nights.
Yeah, honestly, this campground has probably been our favorite one so far. It's absolutely gorgeous, tons of hikes, and really nice campground pads that are pretty level, so we love it.
Yeah, for $15, it's hard to beat this campground. Thank you all for watching.
Yeah, thanks guys, as always.
Have a
See you
large
next
day.
time.